Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the object and your anchor so physics will behave predictably. Add a rigid body and an appropriate collider to the object. Make sure rigid body is non-kinematic so forces apply. Create a hand anchor game object positioned about 0, 1 units from your controller, and assign it to the script's public hand anchor. Once done, expose a Boolean is grabbing and a short grab distance value. This lets you detect proximity and begin the grab process without delay. You now implement detection and the activation step so grabs feel solid. Use physics, overlap sphere or a short raycast to find nearby grabbable objects and verify tags or layers. On grab input, set as grabbing true, disable gravity on the rigid body, and consider freezing rotation to avoid flicker. Then attach the object to the hand anchor, either parent it smoothly with vector 3. Lerp/quaternion. Slurp for visual smoothing, or create a configurable joint for physically stable behavior. Make sure to preserve momentum values for release. You finish by handling release and edge cases so interactions remain reliable. On release input, set as grabbing false, unparent, or remove the joint, restore gravity, and apply the controller's linear and angular velocity to the rigid body for a realistic throw. Once done, adjust smoothing time below 0. 1 seconds to prevent teleportation artifacts while keeping responsiveness. If things go wrong, visualize your detection sphere or ray in the scene view and log rigid body.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.